let's do a quick unboxing of Nothing Phone 3A. So let's get right into it. There we go. So of course over here we have the USB-C cable used for example, charging and connecting to a computer. Over here we have some labels with the QR code, which we can scan. We have safety information and warranty information. And then also over here we have the eject tool, which looks like this, quite unique design. It is used to open the SIM tray. And that is essentially everything in terms of accessories that we have with this phone. So here is the phone. We also have some indicators of buttons. We also have the port shown over here and the SIM tray. And at the back it looks like this. So let's open it. And there we go. It looks quite nice. It feels also quite nice. So this is of course the back of the Nothing Phone 3A. We have glyphs over here. We have two buttons on the right side. One of them is the power button and the other is the essential key. And then on the left side we also have volume buttons. At the top we have this little dot. And then at the bottom we also have the charging port, USB-C port, the microphone, SIM tray, and of course speakers. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!